Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today is going to be another hair video. Another product to try. It's paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, silicone-free, SLS-free, and GMO-free. Even though it does say that it's fragrance-free, I guess that's added fragrance, the product smells divine. So the product that I'm using today is called Mori, and these products are known for having a particular mineral that's a unique mineral. It's called fulvic acid, and fulvic acid is supposed to help distribute these amino acids and minerals directly to the hair follicle, and it's supposed to apparently work in the first stage of the growth cycle, which is the anagen stage. Which is supposed to be the most vital stage, which when the hair actually starts to grow. So these products are supposed to, I guess, get all of the nutrients into that follicle and help it along throughout the stage, from the growth stage to, the end stage, which is when the hair actually, sheds and it's gone. But I'm going to be using their products. They sent me, thank you, Maury, a shampoo, conditioner. They sent a hair mask. Yes. And a growth spray, which is really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna pop into the shower. I am gonna come back out and let you guys see how the shampoo lathers, and everything else I'll follow up and let you guys see, you apply the conditioner, the hair mask, and everything. Just a note, it did say that the shampoo, since it does not have any of the silicones in it, that the hair will feel a little rough or rigid. So we'll see how that works. But they said once you follow up with the conditioner and mask, you should be good. So we'll see. But I'm going to let this sit for a little bit. The conditioner's in, and then I'm going to rinse this out, and then I'm going to apply mineral repairing mask next. Okay, so I've rinsed out the conditioner, and now I'm going to apply the mineral repairing hair mask. I'm going to use about yay much. Apply it about mid-shaft and work it down the hair. That feels good. So I used about, I don't know, I guess maybe about a third of the jar, but the mask goes on beautifully. It has a really nice slip. I like the mask, it's nice. The conditioner was okay. It was a little watery, but yeah. So it says to leave it on for 5 minutes and then rinse it out, and I'll come back on and guys see what the hair looks like, and then I'll apply the other product that I have. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna follow this up with the Mineral Ultimate Growth Serum, which is this, and I'll spray it so you can see it. It goes on, you know, watery, and but when it dries down, it has, you can tell it has some sort of very light oil to it. It feels really nice. It's not oily based or anything, so it just says spray it directly onto the scalp. That's what I'm gonna do. I am ready for, my hair's clean, it's ready for twisting, and I will probably just use my normal products for twisting my hair, and I will be right back so you guys can see the results. Good morning. Okay, so this is my second time using the Mori product line, and so this time, or this week, I wanted to do everything strictly Mori. So I used their just the mineral conditioner this week as my pre-poop, so I wanted to see how that was going to work. So I just kind of, you know, just worked it through my hair and then sectioned it off into these two little knots here. And I'm gonna go and work out, and then I'm gonna come back and wash my hair, and I'll kind of let you guys see what it looks like, you know, just briefly. I'll just kind of put in a couple clips, and then I will show you the final results and let you know if I'm noticing a difference. So this is week 2 of me using the Mori system. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let this just sit. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna rinse out, and then I'll come back on and show you guys a little bit of my twist, you know, twisting my hair. And then I think from there, I'm just gonna go into showing you what the second week of my hair looks like using the Mori products. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me change into something a little bit more presentable. Okay guys, so this is my week 4 or going into my week 4 of using Mori products, and I have to admit, I absolutely love these products. Just the difference in the texture of my hair, the feel of my hair, and I think most of all, on my wash day. Everybody knows wash day is crazy, but as I started using the products, and as each wash day, or after each wash week, it became simpler. I mean, my hair seems to be less detangled, or it takes less to detangle my hair. And I noticed that the texture difference, it just feels better. It feels hydrated, it feels moisturized. Now, I can't say necessarily that I notice any growth in my hair in using the products, but just the overall difference in the texture is it's a winner for me. So I definitely would recommend these products. Now, the good thing about this is that Mori just happens to be one that is running a really, really awesome sale. They are running, I think it's like 67% off, but I will give you the deets on the information for these particular products. These 3 products here are on sale on the Mori website for $55. And I do have a coupon code that'll help a little bit. You get 5% off, or an extra 5% off of these products if you use the code ART5, and that'll give you an additional 5% off. I recommend these products wholeheartedly, and I think it will definitely become a staple in my hair regimen. I love these products. I can't say enough about it. I'll come in a little closer so you guys can see. I don't know if you really notice a difference in my hair, but I definitely can. Let me know if you guys, try these products. Let me know if you pick this up. I'll definitely leave all the information in the description box below, along with the coupon code, so you guys can pick that up if you want to try out the Mori products. But anyhow, it's been fun as always. But yeah, let's end on a good note. Let's have a little glass of wine. One second. Okay guys, so today's wine is another Trader Joe find. It's called, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say La Garenne, and it's a 2016. This is one that was recommended, so let's get to pouring. Yeah, I cheated a little bit. All right. She smells good. She smells good. All right, let's see. It's good. Yeah, this one's good. It's just a little different from, just from the norm of what you think you're gonna get when you purchase a red blend. It just kind of gives you a little something different, and I like that from time to time. In today's wine, La Garenne. Okay, so tell me guys, tell me what you think about my little headband here. No, this is not a headband wig. This is my hair in the headband, but I thought it was kind of cute. But I have to admit, this thing is itchy around. I can't wait to take it off because it is itchy, but it's cute. I like it. So I thought I'd do something a little different. But anyhow, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I know this one's gonna seem a lot different for those of you that are not gonna be with your loved ones. Yeah, we're staying in place. It's just gonna be me and my little family. We might do some Zooms and, kind of catch up with people, but that's gonna be it. But you guys be safe out there, and we will see you in the next one.